if Yamaha took one of the most iconic beginner-friendly bikes in history and reimagined it for 2026 with modern tech, renewed spirit, and performance that still makes every rider smile? Today on AM Autos, we're diving deep into the 2026 Yamaha DT50, a motorcycle name that has meant excitement, confidence, and two-wheeled freedom for decades. Stick with us till the very end, because there's a special surprise waiting for you that every DT fan will absolutely love. Yamaha DT series holds a unique place in motorcycle history. For generations, the DT50 has welcomed riders into the world of motorcycling, from teenagers getting their first taste of freedom to seasoned riders remembering their early days in the saddle. The DT50 wasn't about high speed or lap records. It was about pure riding joy, simplicity, agility, and confidence. Lightweight, playful, and capable of light off-road exploration. It blurred the line between street and trail in a way few bikes ever have. Riders remember its crisp handling, accessible power delivery, and the way it made even short rides feel memorable. As we enter 2026, discussions and excitement about a new Yamaha DT50 have grown. Riders around the world are imagining what a modern DT50 could be, one that respects its heritage, but incorporates technology and refinement expected of a 2026 motorcycle. With younger riders seeking motorcycles that are fun, efficient, and versatile, and older riders nostalgic for that feeling of open-air freedom, the stage feels perfect for Yamaha to reintroduce its legendary learner-friendly bike with a fresh face and updated performance. Imagine a bike that carries the classic DT lineage but feels right at home in today's world. In this vision, the 2026 Yamaha DT50 keeps the lightweight, approachable nature that made the original so beloved, but adds upgraded fundamentals. A modern fuel-injected engine, advanced safety features, a comfortable ergonomic layout for both street and trail use, and smart technology that enhances the ride without complicating it. At the heart of the 2026 DT50 will be a refined single-cylinder engine tuned for real-world riding. In earlier eras, 50cc two-strokes were king in this class, offering punchy performance in a compact package. For 2026, Yamaha could blend that spirited performance with modern fuel injection and emission-friendly engineering that make the engine smoother, cleaner, and more reliable than ever before. The result? A bike that's effortless to start, easy to maintain, and exciting to ride. Whether it's your first ride ever or your 100th adventure. The power delivery on the DT50 would likely focus on accessible torque rather than raw horsepower, perfect for urban streets, country lanes, and light trail paths. That's one of the DT's greatest strengths. It allows riders to feel connected to the machine without being overwhelmed by aggressive output. Novice riders could develop confidence, while seasoned riders could appreciate the bike's agility and responsiveness. The chassis design of the 2026 DT50 will echo its DNA: compact, lightweight, and ready for anything. A steel backbone frame might give the bike a forgiving feel that's perfect for learners, while also being rugged enough to handle the occasional dirt path or gravel road. A narrow profile would make maneuvering through traffic or tight trail turns effortless. Yamaha's engineers understand that this segment of riders values confidence and control above all else, and the DT50's layout would reflect that. Suspension is another area where the DT50 could shine. Instead of overly stiff or overly soft setups, the 2026 model would likely offer balanced travel that smooths out bumps on urban pavement and absorbs gentle off-road imperfections with grace. A telescopic fork up front and a rear monoshock with thoughtful damping will give riders a sense of stability and control. Whether they're carving corners or exploring back roads, wheels and tires on the 2026 DT50 will pay homage to its dual-purpose heritage. Larger diameter front wheels, possibly around 17, coupled with capable tires offering mixed-terrain traction, would make the bike truly versatile. This setup provides a great compromise between on-road precision and light off-road capability. For a rider wanting to escape the city and explore nature without needing a full adventure bike, the DT50 will be the perfect companion. Safety and rider confidence will be built into the 2026 DT50 as well. Modern braking systems with ABS, tailored for lightweight bikes, would help prevent wheel lockup during sudden stops. A welcome feature especially for newer riders, still refining their braking skills. Yamaha could even offer adjustable levels of ABS or an off mode for experienced riders who want a more direct feel on loose surfaces. It's this kind of thoughtful design that makes a bike versatile and confident in many conditions. Another area where the 2026 Yamaha DT50 could impress is with technology that actually adds value without overwhelming the rider. A compact digital dash could display speed, gear indicator, fuel level, and other essentials, clearly crucial for both beginner learning and seasoned riders who want instant feedback. USB charging integration could keep phones and navigation devices powered during fun outings. And smart connectivity options might allow basic call or message alerts without distracting the rider. Ergonomics on the DT50 would be finely tuned for comfort and control. An upright seating position, soft but supportive seat, and thoughtfully placed handlebars would reduce fatigue during longer rides. Foot pegs set for balanced posture would help riders confidently stand up when exploring rougher paths or shift weight during spirited cornering. This balance of comfort and tactical control is part of what made the original DT50 so much fun. And a 2026 version would build on that legacy. Fuel efficiency and practicality are hallmarks of the DT lineage, and the 2026 model would certainly carry that forward. Lightweight construction, an efficient powertrain, and intelligent fuel management would make the bike incredibly frugal. Riders could explore city commutes and countryside jaunts without frequent stops at the fuel pump. Practical fuel economy means lower running costs and fewer interruptions, both important for younger riders or daily commuters. One of the most exciting aspects of a bike, like the DT50, is how it fits into a rider's life. It's not just about performance numbers, it's about the experiences it enables. Picture a teenager earning their independence on weekend rides to nearby towns. Picture an adult rediscovering the joy of simple, flowing roads after a long work week. Picture friends riding together on all-day explorations through fields, forest paths, and coastlines. That sense of connection between rider, machine, and landscape is what the DT50 has always been about. Beyond practicality and performance, a 2026 Yamaha DT50 would likely spark a broader cultural resurgence. In an age where micro-adventure and slow travel are gaining popularity, bikes that emphasize fun, freedom, and simplicity rather than raw power are finding new relevance. Riders are seeking motorcycles that feel accessible yet capable, and the DT50's identity aligns perfectly with that trend. It invites not just learning, but exploration without barriers. Yamaha's legacy with the DT series gives this imagined 2026 model credibility. The original DT50 earned its place in riders' hearts because it worked. Every ride felt intuitive, every trail adventure felt achievable, and every corner turn felt like an expression of freedom. A modern interpretation would build on that foundation with tools that make riding even more rewarding. Responsive throttle, steady suspension, smart brakes, a lightweight feel, and technology that adds confidence without distraction. Picture this: a sunny weekend morning, your gear packed lightly, and you twist the throttle on your DT50 with a grin. Traffic parts easily because you're agile and confident. Country roads beckon, and the bike's responsive engine dances through curves with playful eagerness. You find a gravel path leading into a shaded forest and take it, knowing your bike can handle it. That's the essence of what the 2026 Yamaha DT50 could deliver, not just a ride, but a feeling of exploration and independence. And now, for the special surprise we promised at the beginning, here at AM Autos, we're launching an exclusive series celebrating learner-friendly and beginner-focused motorcycles. including real-world tests, community rider stories, and deep dives in the bikes like the DT50, CRF125, Grom, and more. Whether you're new to riding or a seasoned veteran sharing your passion with others, this series is designed to inspire and educate. The potential return of the Yamaha DT50 in 2026 represents more than just a new motorcycle model. It signifies a renewed appreciation for bikes that make riding accessible, joyous, and memorable. It evokes a sense of nostalgia for riders who grew up with the DT name, while introducing a new generation to what it feels like to connect with the road and the trail on two wheels. So if you're dreaming about your first motorcycle, thinking about returning to riding after a break, or simply craving a bike that's fun in its purest form, the 2026 Yamaha DT50, real or imagine, is a bike worth watching. Stay tuned with AM Autos for more motorcycle stories, deep dives, and the joy of two-wheeled life.